amazing, big.
Mammoth, whale.
Big,
Really amazing. Beautiful.
Amazing.
quite movable. Fascinantno, veliko i staromodno.
There are only a few sites on the planet comparable to the approach of the mighty Antonov 225. The largest aircraft in the world landed safely at Zagreb airport at 6 p.m. on November the 8th, 2013. It has come to pick up an immense power transformer which needs to be delivered to the Philippines as fast as possible. The next morning, preparations for the loading of the aircraft commenced. After the nose had been lifted, the impressive cargo hold is revealed. It has a volume of 1,300 cubic meters, is 6.4 meters wide, 4.4 meters high, and with a length of 43.35 meters, this is longer than the first flight of the Wright brothers. The Antonov 225 really is an impressive piece of engineering. Built in the Soviet Union in 1988 for the transport of the Buran spaceplane, it now serves as the world's largest cargo aircraft.
Antonov 225, it's very impressive for everyone. So our job is transportation of oversized and heavy cargo. When customer needs to deliver cargos very quick.
Ovo je staromodan zrakoplov i to je prava ona, kako se veli, ruska škola izrade zrakoplova nekada, koja evo dan danas uspješno leti i odlično, ne svakidašnji.
Its little brother Antonov 124 is quite common aircraft here, and we know it pretty much. Honestly, I never expected seeing Mria here. Very excited seeing that exceptional aircraft working with Antonov, seeing their exceptional flight engineers, officers. The aircraft is a class on its own, definitely.
Nicknamed Mria, which is the Ukrainian word for dream, the aircraft has a length of 84 meters and a wingspan of 88.4 meters, which makes it larger than the Boeing 747 and Airbus A380. In combination with a maximum takeoff weight of 640 tons, this makes the Antonov 225 not only the largest aircraft in the world, but also the fastest means of transportation for oversized cargo. This is exactly why UTC Overseas engaged the Antonov 225. It has come to Zagreb to pick up a masterpiece of Croatian engineering, a huge power transformer built by Končar, which needs to be transported to the Philippines as quickly as possible.
San Lorenzo is one power plant which has the failure with one transformer, and they are cut off energy. They can produce, but they cannot bring it to the power grid. Therefore, they have urgent requirement for the very short delivery of such a transformer, 318 MVA, which is not very ordinary, very big one. And we did it, we made the contract, we guaranteed in 5 months. In the meantime, we squeezed the time, so 35 days less than this. Our contractor, First Gen Corporation, asked us whether we can make a shipment with the aircraft to squeeze shipment time. Usually such a shipment is lasting 40 to 45 days by vessel. So we find a way, we engage via UTC Antonov craft, and we are today at the airport with our transformer, with aircraft, and we started loading with the aircraft.
Weighing almost 140 tons, there are not many options to transport such a huge transformer.
We chose the transport per night because there was not so much traffic on road, so we did not need to close absolutely the transport route from factory to airport. This is a 12 plus 12 axle vehicle connected with a girder bridge. Total dimensions of this transport mean was about 70 meters, with all 4 push-pull trucks was about 90 meters. Total weight is approximately almost 400 tons. Time needed for the transport was about 3.5 hours.
Altogether, we worked 3 months on that project. Started with the Antonov 124, but later we saw that it will be needed for the bigger one aircraft, and we started to work directly with the Antonov company. It was a very long process to work out all the small details, because we cannot miss any small thing because it can disturb our whole job. So,
once the transformer arrived at the airport, the loading of the aircraft commenced. The transformer had to be lifted into a special transport frame and then loaded onto the aircraft.
to split the weight of the trafo, we needed this special frame under the trafo to split the weight inside of the bottom of the aircraft.
We got the frame. Frame considered as an interface in between inside of the aircraft and how to launch this part, and transformer. So transformer we have to put into the frame, fix it together, and together is loaded in the aircrafts. And this frame will be with 120 steel ropes connected inside to fix the cargo.
Everybody is highly concentrated. As safety is a priority, everything is done very slowly, moving just inches at a time. Even though the weather began to deteriorate rapidly, the loading process continued on schedule.
Vrijeme bitno ne utječe na nikakve cargo operacije. Do sad ide sve uz male naravno otklone vremenske, ide sve svojim tokom vrlo dobro. Pa bili su sličnog opsega zrakoplovi, ali nikada nismo imali u komadu ovako jedan veliki teret kao što imamo sada, ovaj transformator od 130.000 kila ili 138 tona. To je nešto novo i za sve je to prvi puta, znači nismo imali iskustva u prihvatu i otpremi takvih tipa tereta.
Basically, we know how to deal with the aircraft, but the most challenging part was to learn overall process in front of the aircraft, to learn how to deal properly with the cargo, with the cranes, and the rest of the traffic all the time.
complete process lasted most of the day until late in the evening, but eventually the 140-ton transformer was stowed safely into the Antonov's belly. During its short stay at Zagreb airport, the Antonov 225 caused unprecedented public interest. Several hundred plane spotters had the opportunity to see the aircraft up close. But even more spotters waited outside the airport building, hoping to catch even just a glimpse. All Croatian media reported on this extraordinary event, and at one point, police even had to close the roads leading to the airport to prevent traffic congestion caused by all those who wanted to see Mrija in Zagreb. After the successful loading operation, the Antonov 225 departed as scheduled on Sunday at 6 a.m, heading for the Philippines with the Conchar power transformer on board. During its memorable stay in Zagreb, the largest aircraft in the world had attracted more visitors to Zagreb airport than any other pop star or celebrity in the past. There is no doubt that this event will stay in the memories of those who have contributed to the success of this unique operation.